Hi there, this is William from Virtual Communications, and today I'm just going to be talking about the school node type or school content type, and basically how to manipulate it, change information, and make sure it's running as expected. So what we're going to do now is just take a look at all the school content types we currently have. So we're just going to go to Type, Schools, Filter. Again, this screen I was just on is under the content screen as discussed in tutorial 1. So cool. So now we can actually see all the schools for AFN. There's 3 pages worth, approximately 135 of them, all batch imported. What we're going to do now is just go for a sample, just to edit LaJack. So we're going to go to Edit. And great. So we now can actually see the content that is populated for this school. There's a title, the church, also known as the location, the Facebook page. This is perhaps the most important field in that whenever you create your pages in Facebook, this value will change for each individual school because that page relates to the school. We have the province, we have date of operation, we have our main image, which I'll show you what it looks like in a second, and we have our sub-images. Our main images and sub-images are automatically scaled to the appropriate size. So as long as they're appropriately, there's nothing too small, everything should work out really great and automatically for you when you import these and the page is viewed. We also have our body field for any descriptions or information you'd like to add to the school, and so on. So we're just going to go to View, because we already saved this node, and see what it looks like. Great. So all those field informations eventually basically render this page. These images are automatically scaled, as I said. There's a nice little lightbox feature for them, so you can go through. You can even cycle between one to the next, and this is done all automatically. We even have our nice Facebook page here, which, based on the ID we specified, will give us the individual Facebook information for that particular school, of which there will be 135 Facebook pages. You'll notice we can even click to actually go to the Facebook page, and even whether the videos are posted or links, we can just simply click on this and the video or link or picture will run. Really nice and really straightforward. Beyond that, in order to get to see a view of all the schools, of which this is LaJack's only one, we can go to Indian Residential Schools. And this will generate a really nice map for us that shows us all the locations of all the schools in Canada. Some of these red dots still haven't been fully managed in that some of the locations are wrong, but it gives you a nice overview currently of how this will eventually look. Say for instance, you would like to actually see get a zoom in on Ontario, because you just want to get a better view. You can click Ontario, it'll zoom in a little bit, and then it's easier to select the buttons. Same thing for Quebec. And we can go back to Canada. And same thing for all the other provinces. If this view, in order to get to the schools, doesn't work for you, there's also a list view, which lets you, based on all the provinces, see all the schools, and along with some information like province and church. So we can go through, and great. But this may even then still be too much information. Say you'd like to we can now go to search and search all the schools for all types of information, such as location, province, church, and even descriptions inside them. Right now, say we would only like to see all information with the Catholic Church. All we have to do is go to Catholic, apply, and now this will dynamically, through Ajax, populate the fields for just the churches with Catholic inside them. We can even search by province by just specifying Ontario and apply. And great, so we can now see everything here. We can even go by title. Let's go to LaJack. Perfect. And then we can go back. And now we're back into our school type where we can see everything. And it's beautiful. So as you can see, it's fairly straightforward to see all your schools, edit them, and to actually find them by using the map. Please stay tuned to the next lecture where we're going to discuss fusion tables, which actually help populate everything inside Indian Residential Schools, the map. This map is in fact created dynamically through Google's Fusion Tables, and it's very easy to use. It requires no coding in the Drupal side and only a properly maintained Excel or CSV file. Thank you very much.